Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the solar bird bath fountain from the company Biling Solar. Made in China. Again, I bought it off Amazon. I paid for this with my own money, as with all of my videos. I like just doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody out there who's thinking about buying the same item and wants to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in. So they give you a couple different nozzle heads for the fountain. So, truth be told, we'll see how this works. I bought this because it specifically said for bird bath, and that's what I'm looking to use it for. I'm looking to use it in my bird bath. I've used the round ones before that are solar, and my problem with those is in a bird bath, they just sit and float around all day long. So this is a ground one that I'm hoping will work a little bit better. Oops, it dropped. The hardware. So I guess the hardware would be if you want to mount it to a fence or something like that. I'm looking to just stake it into the ground. And then the solar panel itself. Well, it's pretty nice quality. So you can use the hardware and mount it through the holes here. Or, like I'm going to do, put it on a stake, stake it into the ground. But yeah, I think this is going to be perfect. Wow. I was afraid it was going to be too big to where it wouldn't sit inside of my bird bath, but this is perfect. It's really small. Let me see if there's anything else. So they give you a little bag. I'm assuming that's so you can put the nozzles in a bag. And then last but not least, the instruction manual. So that's a quick unboxing. Let's get this thing set up and let's see how it looks and works in the bird bath. Okay, so I just wanted to show y'all real quick. This is the solar fountain that I normally use in the bird bath, and it works fine. The only thing is look how big it is, and it also floats around in the bird bath. So it's got some suction mounts here, but they don't usually hold to my bird bath. It ends up just floating all around the place. This one, look at the size of the fountain compared to the round disc one. And that's what I like about this is I'm going to have to hide the cord. So you do have to deal with the cord where you don't have to with this one. But it takes up a lot less room in the bird bath, which gives the birds more room to use the bath. So we'll go put it out and we'll see how it works. So I just wanted to do a quick video. This is what happens with the solar fountain when it's in the shade. As you can see, I'm hardly getting any direct sun on it. I'm basically in a shaded area that sun's behind the trees, but it still produces enough energy for the solar fountain to at least move the water. And that's my big goal here, is to try and keep the water as fresh as possible for the birds and to keep it from getting stagnant because mosquitoes get so bad. So anyway, that's a video of it with shade. I'll do a second video to show you what it looks like once the sun comes out and starts hitting the solar panel better. Okay everybody, we're finally getting some direct sun on the solar panel, and as you can see, the bird bath solar fountain is working great. So I don't have any of the tops on it. I'm just putting it in straight as it comes in the box, and it's perfect. Now I keep it like this. You can put one of the tops on there, but what ends up happening with me is I lose a lot of the water in the bird bath. So this is exactly what I wanted. Doesn't take up a lot of space. Works great, doesn't need a whole lot of sun to run, but the more sun it gets, the more it's gonna splash the water. But really happy with it. I hope this video helps. If you've got any questions, put them in the comments below. I'd be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.